Ibinahagi nga ng isang 18 na ang nasabing convo nito or pag-uusap nila ng isang Disney Plus stop. Mula sa kanyang live chat, "Hi Mike! Hello and thank you for contacting Disney Plus. My name is Mike. How may I help you today? I have a question about the Lollapalooza live stream. Thank you for letting me know. I will do my best to answer your questions about this live event. If an artist is scheduled to appear on the live stream, would their whole set be live stream or would it switch screens with other artists who are running simultaneously? I am asking specifically about SB19. Narito po ang naging sagot ng live chat na staff ng Disney na si Mike. Aniya, I see that is good question. I can confirm that it will switch momentarily. But the live stream itself will give priority to the most requested artists at that moment. I guess the only way to know if they are most requested is that if they get more airtime. Is that right? Additionally, it separates the broadcast into two distinct dedicated live stream channels, Channel 1 and Channel 2. That is right in certain moments of the event. Sa naging end ng kanilang conversation, sinabi ni Mike, I am glad I was able to speak to you today. It is always great to meet another fan of one of the best festivals. Let me know if there's anything else I can do for you. If you don't have any further concern, I will send you now to the survey where 5 is the highest and 1 is the lowest score, where you can rate the experience you've had with me today. Para po sa mga magsasubscribe, wala naman pong problema kung kayo po ay nag-sub sa basic or doon po sa premium. Ang pagkakaiba lang naman po kasi ng basic and premium is yung pong linaw ng nasabi pong video. But anyway, say po ng mga fans, if you will check naman the schedule ng performers at yung my live stream na magpe-perform, wala pong kasabay ang SB19. So, if you check the schedule and live stream ng magpe-perform between Friends, 2:45 to 3:45, while SB19 is 3:30 to 4:30. As you can see, may 15 minutes na sabay sila. Yung location po ng nag-post nito ay Chatting from Canada. So, great info. Marami po nagpapasalamat sa nasabi nga pong information na ito. All active Disney Plus subscription, basic or premium, get full access to the Lollapalooza live stream, no extra charge or higher tier required. Only differences between plan is basic subscription, one screen only. Kaya sa mga naka-basic, okay na po yan. Pero kung gusto nyo po na mapanood nyo sa lahat halos ng gadgets nyo or sa TV, mas maganda pong mag-premium na lang at mas malinaw. At yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Images are all ready to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching.